kitchen of a city tune. The light would flicker like a violent wound. The night was thicker than a smoky fume, and Liza waited in the room. And Benny loved her like he loved no one. The way she laughed and held a smoking gun. The way she always said what's done is done, and he's not the only one. Love is a gentle thing. Yours is thicker than a velvet ring. Yours is thicker than a velvet ring. I licked me with a sharp, sharp blade. And Benny knew how she was getting paid. The water broke and they would have to wait. But when he knew that she was fooling, he faced the mirror to avoid the thing. We're out of money and we're so to blame. And I just wanna take you home. I just wanna take you home. Love is a gentle thing. Yours is thicker than a velvet ring. Yours is thicker than a velvet ring. Now I get wondering, ring. Now I get wondering.
Come feed my Essa, Dolly. With me.
Now, where is the food?
First we had the kibble smiley face. She gets 2 bags of kibble. Next we add the meat. I struggled getting it out. Next up is the greens. More struggling.
What is that? You!
Next up, the hip and joint supplements. Can't forget her gummy bear, vitamins. Now we add a carrot and cut carrots.
Can I eat now?
Not yet. Okay, now you can. You left all the greens and carrots. You need to eat them.
Nah, not happening.
Eat them or no dessert tomorrow.
Fine. Happy? Ugh.
Hi, Sunset Pups. Come with me to give Zion his first feeding with me. Here is his bowl for today. First, let's give him some kibble. He looks really excited. Now time for some raw meat. Next is a quail egg. Hopefully he likes it, because some of the other dogs don't like them. Next, some duck head. Blueberries. Chicken heart. A dental chew. And last but not least, some vitamins. And finally, some salmon oil. Now here is his food bowl all completed. 3, 2, 1, eat! Zion did an awesome job. He literally almost ate all of it. I'm so happy that he enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, Sunset Pups.
Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening. A beautiful sight, we're happy tonight. Walking in a winter wonderland. Gone away is the bluebird. Here to stay is the new bird. To sing the love song while we stroll along. Walking in a winter wonderland. In the meadow we can build a snowman and pretend that he is Parson Brown. He'll say, are you married? We'll say, no, man. But you can do the job when you're in town. Later on we'll conspire as we dream by the fire to face unafraid the plans that we made, walking in a winter wonderland.
Feed my Essa with me, but it's randomized. I'll draw 10 slips. Mixy, mixy. Bowl.
First one!
Dehydrated sardine. 2. Raw shredded beef. 3. 1 egg. Plus the membrane. 4. Chicken breast. 5. Salmon oil. 6. Turkey liver. 7. Kibble. 8, 9, and 10.
Hey guys, so today I'm gonna do like a feeding role play with Biscuit and Cora, cause like honestly I'm pretty bored, so yeah. Hey pups, are you guys hungry?
Finally, you've asked, Mom. I'm starving.
Yeah, I'm pretty hungry, Mom, and like, I've been sick for a while.
I know it's the afternoon, I had to clean, but that's okay. Guys, sorry if you hear my dog. I just showered her, so like, okay, well, I'm gonna get your geared up, and I mean, you don't have really gear, so.
I know, and I'm fine with that. I don't really care.
Okay, Cora, okay, no.
Okay.
I'm gonna brush you guys out, because I don't want you guys to mat, and to get your fur all dirty with the food. Okay, I'm gonna get the bowls. First up is kibble. 1 scoop. 2. 3.5. 1. 2. 3.5. Oh my gosh. 10 for treats. 1 for biscuit. And 1 for Cora. Vitamins, which they hate. Or the medication. 2 for biscuit. And 2 for Cora. Now for the fish oil. 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, eat.
Finally, I'm starving.
Bye guys, see you next video.
I don't know why, but Essa feeding videos are one of my favorite to watch. I mean, everyone spends ages on them, and they never get as many likes or views as you would in a normal post. I love watching them, they are so satisfying, and it's cool to see what other people have made. And usually everyone has their own creative style to it. I just feel like these videos need more attention to them, because they're one of the most time-consuming videos to make. I'm not saying that you have to go and like every ESA feeding post you see, but if you think that somebody has made a real effort, I think you should boost it to help the community out a little. Anyways, this is just my opinion, and I know there are many different posts other than feeding videos that are time-consuming and creative that don't get enough likes or views. What's your opinion on this?
Thank you for watching. If you made it to the end, comment a green heart. Bob out.
Feed my Essa with me. 3 scoops of freeze-dried raw kibble. Raw beef for protein and amino acids. Raw chicken foot for dental and joint support. Broccoli for vitamins and minerals. Carrot for vitamin A and vision. Blueberries for antioxidants and vitamins. Strawberry for immune system. Quail egg for skin and coat health. Finished meal. Feed my pups with me. Essa edition. 3 scoops of freeze-dried raw kibble. Blueberries, great source of antioxidants and vitamins. Strawberries, supports immune system. and digestion. Cucumbers, hydrating and low calorie. Carrots, source of vitamin A for vision improvement. Quail eggs for skin and coat support. Raw chicken feet for joint and dental health. Vegetable beans, great source of fiber. Raw beef for protein and essential amino acids. Finished meal. Time to feed the pups.
Hello everyone, come with me to feed my ESSA bunnies. So we have Pip and Clover here. Come to say hi, so I'm going to get their snuffle mat out for enrichment and put their pellets down. I'm also going to get their bowl out, give them 2 carrots, as well as 1/2 banana, 2 apple slices, 2 lettuce greeneries, 1 cucumber, and a few pea flakes, as well as 4 blueberries and a strawberry and another strawberry. They tucked in and that was it.
Hey guys! Let's feed one of the dogs, except a filter chooses all of the decisions. So firstly, can I feed Maple? Okay then. Can I feed River? Okay. Can I feed Willow? Okay. Can I use this bowl? Yay. Okay, first we need kibble, so can I use this kibble? Oh, great. Can I use this kibble? I hate. I literally have no more kibbles, so it's gonna have to be wet food. Can I use this wet food? Okay. Yeah. Okay, next, can I use this? Okay. Found it. Can I use this straw thingy that's supposed to be a chew? Okay. Bro, come here. Wow. Can I use this legendary bone? Oh. Wow. Can I use some blueberries? Yay. Can I use one of these absolutely tiny egg thingies? Yay. Can I use this thingy that's supposed to be steak? Yeah. Can I use a legendary beef patty? Are we done? Okay. Can I let Willow eat it? What do you mean no? Okay, let's try that again. Can Willow eat it? What? Can I eat it? Okay. I guess this is for me then. Okay, no, I'm not eating that. Okay, I swear to God, for the last time, can Willow eat it? Okay then, can River eat it? Okay, then bye Willow. fear that was the worst transition I've ever done. So, can River eat it? Good, thank you. Finally, this is what we've been needing the entire video. And that's taken like almost 3 minutes. Well, it's over now and I'm never doing that ever again. Bye guys.
Hey friends! I'm a new ESSA account and this is my dog River. My old ESSA account got lost and I had over 100 followers. So my goal is to gain that again, or hopefully get more. And I was really inspired by Gianna and Tegan. Someday I would like to be like them. So shout out to both of them. Well, I hope you enjoyed this feeding video. Have a lovely day!
Make Ikona's dinner with me. Slow feeder. Kibble, 2 scoops. Grand Droff. Raw steak. 2 bits. Dog treat. Medication. Rabbit's foot. Not real. More vitamins. Ground beef. More meds. All done. Now it's time to ungear. Time to eat. Thank you guys so much for 1K. I couldn't imagine getting this far in 2 weeks. Thank you all for your support. 1K in the comments. Some video ideas. Bye, guys.